Hi class, so we do have some new letters that we're learning this week, but I want to first start with reviewing the letters that we learned last week and their sounds. So the first one is the A, and the A says ah. Remember, just like an acrobat. The A says ah. The next one is the B. The bear grabs the honey. The B says buh. Buh, buh, buh. The letter C. The C says k. Next is the D. The D says duh, 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 like grabbing the shovel and digging. The letter E. The E says eh, 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 eh. So here's our first new letter. This is the letter F, and the letter F sounds like that. So you make a fish by putting your hands on top of each other, and then you have your thumbs extended so that you can see the thumbs like fins. So the F says the G, the letter G, and the G says G, 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 like in our story for good grief, goofy, right? G, G, G. The H is for horse. So the H says like a horse, right? You slap a horse to get it to go. Here's the I in our story for the letter I. He's always thinking that things are icky. So we shake our hands like it's icky. So the I says eh, 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 eh. And last of all is the J. And the J says j. That's one of the class's favorites because they get to jump. So the J says j, 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 j. Okay, good luck practicing your sounds. I encourage you to watch this video maybe every day and practice your sounds every day, and watch for the letters in your environment around you and say the sounds. Thanks.